Oh god, you guys, the Diwali hangover is real. What's up, you beautiful people? Kevicho Badda. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new to the channel, मेरा नाम है अदिति. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, जितने भी बटन है बस thumbs down मत कर देना. Hit them. क्या चल रहा है? It's been heck of a week for me. Personally, emotionally, physically draining, and Monday was off. Thank God for that. I worked myself to death in the last weekend and I'm still slaving my ass off. Yeah, not that great emotionally, but I'm getting there. Monday ko Saal Mubarak, it was New Year, Gujarati New Year, so we celebrated that. Baby ka name Karan Divas bhi tha. The naming ceremony was happening on Monday itself. Baby is named Navya. It's cute, sophisticated, that's what we are looking for. And now Monday, since it was a long weekend, it is so hard to get back to regularly scheduled programming. I'm gonna try, fingers crossed, मैं आज दिवाली का ब्लॉग डाल दूंगी. But that's about it. I wanna give you guys the intro and देखते हैं next 3-4 days कैसे जाते हैं. That's about it.
क्या बन रहा है? फंसी फंसी की सब्जी है. फंसी खिचड़ी है. लगाओ मसल मसल दिखाओ मसल. ये बात नहीं रखो भाई. नहीं नहीं नहीं. अन्ना बहुत दुख हो रहा है. दिवाली खत्म हो गई. बहुत दुख हो रहा है. नहीं. मेरी फेवरेट कलर और रंगोली. नहीं. दिवाली गई. नहीं मत करो ऐसे टॉर्चर. ओहो तो वो ब्लू वाला रहने देना था. ले लो अभी, वो भी ले लो. वो अच्छी नहीं आई इतनी जितनी ब्लू वाली थी. उसके जैसी लगती है ये. पता है किसके जैसी? बैगन जैसी. बैगन का कलर है. नहीं माय गॉड. Oh my god, I'm so excited about this. Charlotte Tilbury is finally here in India. What? The only product right now I would recommend to you with heavy research is this one, the Charlotte Tilbury Matte Revolution Pillow Talk. Shade का नाम है Pillow Talk, and there is another shade, Pillow Talk Intense, but I would recommend Pillow Talk definitely. Okay, I did end up buying the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lipstick. I think next week 24-25 को आ जाएगा product. I will show you guys कब आएगा, क्या आएगा, कैसा होगा, packaging, everything, unboxing. That will happen next week's vlog. Right now, I keep looking at so many insane, beautiful, trashy, cheesy, in both sides. There's so many amazing trailers on Netflix. Oh my god, so many good shows that I've come across, and I think I want to do like a trailer you need to check out on Netflix type videos, because there's so many great shows that I'm looking forward to, and you should do because they're so good. Just trailer looks so good. So we'll do that. क्या हो रहा है? ग्रेटा थनबर्ग आ गई है. तो फेस्टिवल चालू हो गए हैम्पटन में. एलगुना फिल्म फेस्टिवल. बताओ.
यहाँ पे पेंडेमिक है और यहाँ पे फिल्म फेस्टिवल खेल रहे हैं ये लोग. वाह, बताओ. Hello, you beautiful people. आज है Friday. That means I have to end the vlog today. I forgot मैं कब upload करती थी, whether it was Wednesday and Saturday or Wednesday and Friday. I have to check and see. Right now, I am dressed up because not technically dressed up, but more like I want to take pictures of this Velvet by Night loungewear and put it on my Instagram because I love this brand so much. I have my brand loyalty to them is like almost coming to anniversary of 5 years this year. I've been wearing it way before, I think 2015. Came across this brand, my mom came across this brand, she just got me, tried it and just fabulous. More pictures on Instagram. Chalo chalte hai shoot pe. One of the tools that I use to shoot vertical is this ring light that my sister got. I think this was like 1200 or 1600 ish from Amazon. Just gonna take this outside. Let's see. Hey Julie! Yeah, Julie! Hey Julie! Hey Julie! Julie! We're gonna try putting it. We're back at the same location. Gonna try putting this right here. So yeah, this is the background. I believe maybe we might remove the I don't know how that's going to happen. And we are done. It was pretty good. I think photos mil gaye hai. They were pretty darn good. And the color actually looks really good on camera. I am in love with this specific piece. Garfield ka hai. And this cute cat with a cute, I think this puppy there. I don't know. क्या हो गया? क्या हो गया? अरे मैं इतना सारा लेके किधर भाग रही हूँ तेरे पीछे. बाहर जाना है, चल चल बाहर चलते हैं. Just gonna open it for her. जा, ताकत लगा, ताकत. Yes, much girl. Hey you guys, so I just had an intense walk and you know what, now we're gonna go and do some dumbbells. This is something that I started, like 10-minute dumbbells by Mad Fit. That's the YouTuber's name. She does amazing workout videos on YouTube. So we're gonna do that right now.
Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to be doing a 10-minute toned arms workout. This workout is equipment free. Besides, I'm going to be using 2 5-pound dumbbells. So if you have any sort of weight, 5 pounds will do. So even if you have some jars or big heavy shampoo bottles, those will work, but you will need some of weight. You are welcome to use heavier weights than 5 pounds. Totally up to you. Circle backward. Try to keep your upper body nice and strong. We're here for a minute. 5 sets. More seconds. Lower. Hold. Lower. Don't get lazy. I know we're just using 5 pounds. It's lightweight, but I want you to focus on slow, slow, slow. Hold. More seconds. All right, guys, so that was a quick toned arms circuit that you can do either in the gym just to get more of a pump.
Okay, we are done. I don't feel my arms. Ciao. Morning everyone, Game Show Bada. It's Saturday today. I'm gonna wrap up this vlog right here. If you have watched Mismatch, what were your key moments? Let me know in the comments below. If you have not
छः एपिसोड है, 30 मिनट के है. इट्स अ वेरी क्विक 3-hour showdown, and I feel like you'll love it. It was funny, it was stupid, it was mad, it was hilarious. The dialogue was so good. The dialogue delivery was also so good. Just the characters, Prajakta Kolika character, Dimple, Rishi, acting was fabulous by them. It did not feel like they were over exaggerating or overacting. Nahi laga bilkul bhi. It was really good. And then Ranvijay ka character was fabulous. There was this 41-year-old coder जो second chance लेती है life पे. The character who played that, Zeenat का, I loved her. Then Dimple की roommate का character जो musician होती है, she's fabulous. Rishi की best friend, she's fabulous. Just they were key characters that I absolutely loved and fell in love with. I was not, like, the climax was kind of predictable, kind of, and I was not left high and dry. So if you know the ending, comment me, let me know who did it. I have 3 characters in mind जिसने ये सब किया होगा. I'm hoping for a season 2. देखते हैं क्या होता है. But that's about it. Again, thank you so much for watching my vlog. I'm so happy you choose me at the end of the day to watch, to chill, to relax, and I'm very grateful for your time. So अब मैं जाती हूँ. मैं आपको मिलती हूँ Wednesday को. Thank you so much. आओ जो.